Hello friends, this is Kallol Roy from Foetron Academy. I shall be uploading series of videos on Microsoft Excel. I shall be uploading a unique feature through a unique video so that you can refer it in the time of your need. So let's go and see the features. Control arrow key. While you are working on a set of data, then you might have to go to the extreme left hand, right hand, top, bottom, and how to do it easily. You just press the control button and use left, right, top, down arrow button and you can do it. And always keep the control button pressed. So I am doing this. You can see how easily we can move to extreme ends easily. Friends, keep watching Foetron Academy channel in YouTube. Hit like, subscribe, and I can assure you will able to learn lot of things on Microsoft technology. Thank you.